Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your
Telegram
profile link. So guys, subscribe, hit on the bell icon, like, and also if you're on Facebook, click on the follow icon. Forgetting to do that, you might not see me again, so hit the follow icon. Let's go.
It's going to apply to multiple different types of devices, including iOS, Android, and even your computer as well. So let's get straight into this. So the first thing you need to do is go to your settings. So go and tap on the settings button in the bottom right of Telegram, just like so. And then once you're on your settings, we need to go and edit our profile and your profile settings basically. So to do that, all you then need to do is go and tap on edit in the top right of this Telegram settings page, just up here, just like so. Now here we are. Now what you want to do is make sure you've got and set a username. So below change number, you're going to go have an option for username, and it's going to go and tell your current username. So then all you need to do is go and tap on it just like so. And then here you can either go and set or change your username. And once you've gone and got your username, at the bottom of this page, we've got this piece of text here saying this link opens a chat with you. And as you can see, it's basically https://t.me/your username. Let's say my username was Rob Guide Realm or something like that, just like so. Then as you can see, the link has now changed to go and reflect that. And then all you need to do is go and copy this link and go and give it to people. And when they go and click on it, a chat with you is going to go and open up, and they can go and send you a message. So when you want to go and copy the link, all you need to do is go and tap on it. And as you can see, there's a big button to go and copy the link. And then what you can go and do is go and paste this anywhere in any message in your notes to go and then send to other people, or just give to other people so they can go and start messaging you on Telegram. It's honestly that easy. If you found this guide useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like for more videos just like this, and also please go down below and consider subscribing. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
how-to tutorial videos, best Android trick you need to know, and ultimate smartphone unboxing review, because I believe we all need to be the masters that wield our techs.
Page we update you in every software event and future technology, so keep tight by subscribing and clicking the bell icon. And if you are on Facebook, hit that follow icon and keep visiting my page for more.